Hello and welcome to NEC's 5 communication challenges for dentists. Today's dental practices need to ensure the balance of commercial profitability and patient care. With tight budgets and small teams, getting the right communications in place is an essential. Challenge number 1. More efficient telephone appointments. Dental practices can be bombarded with calls and inquiries every day. With limited staff and growing call queues, making quick and accurate appointments can be a challenge. An NEC system integrates with leading patient management applications, including Exact, software of excellence, which can screen pop patient details automatically with incoming calls. This enables your staff to greet your callers by name and deal with inquiries more efficiently. Challenge number 2. On-hold marketing. The demand for cosmetic treatments is on the rise and can be of high commercial value to a dental practice. NEC's in-queue announcements can be used to advertise specialist services such as orthodontics and cosmetic treatments while callers are on hold. This is an effective and low-cost way to create awareness, as well as a way to handle busy calling times. Challenge number 3. Stop missing calls. In a busy dental practice, it's inevitable calls will be missed, many of which may be urgent or result in lost business. So how and when do you return abandoned calls or voicemails? NEC's call management identifies missed or abandoned calls in real time. Return calls can be made instantly with a single click of a mouse. Challenge number 4. Maintaining GDPR compliancy. The recent GDPR laws create a headache for dental practices with hundreds or even thousands of patient records. What happens if a patient leaves the practice or expresses the right to be forgotten? With NEC call management, it just got easier. Using the Remove Personal Information feature, all call records, reports and even call recordings can be deleted in one fell swoop. Older records can also be easily anonymised. And finally, challenge number 5, hands-free calling. Dentists and assistant staff often cannot hold telephone handsets due to hygiene or when dealing with a patient. This can mean important calls in clinical areas go unanswered. Using the voice call feature, NEC's phones can be answered 100% hands-free. Ideal for announcing the name of the next incoming patient or for emergencies. Thanks for watching.